Stop overcooking your shrimp. Stop it. It's impossible to overcook the shrimp, okay? Show you real quickly a little ways to do it. So first of all, we have some nice shrimp here. Get yourself some shrimp. It doesn't matter what size because you're gonna cook it regardless, whether it's small, big, medium, large. Of course, the larger they are, the easier they are to cook, the better they are to cook, and the better they taste, and the more meat. Get yourself that's something that's not been raised in a swimming pool so it doesn't taste like chlorine. I'm not gonna get into all the technical terms of all the chemicals that are used in shrimp. But if you ever bit into one, and tasted it and it tasted like chlorine and stuff, it's because it is exactly pretty much that. It's full of chemicals to give it what it needs to do to sell. So try and find yourself a nice shrimp that you can spend a little more money on and get a much better flavor. The shrimp meat's gonna be nice and sweet. You're gonna be thankful for it in the end, in the morning, okay, when you're doing a walk of shame out of there because your shrimp is so good. Shrimp, backside, you're gonna take a knife real quickly. Nice little cheese knife I like using for this because it's like a razor blade. You're just gonna cut down the middle here, pull out whatever's in there. I've already done it, but this is exactly how you do it. Okay, that's gonna be their little vein that everybody's worried about. Shell on the shrimp. Why do people leave the shell on the shrimp? I hate when they do that. We go to your restaurant and they leave the shell on. Yeah, yeah, we do. We leave it on. Matter of fact, I hate having to take that much off because in Italy or Italian or Europe or anywhere else, most people cook the whole shrimp in the shell. The shell is where that beautiful flavor comes from. You can almost make an elixir out of it by boiling them down. There are so many things that the shell does for the shrimp, and by removing it, takes away a lot of that in the cooking process. So when you go to a lot of restaurants in America and they still have the tail on the end of the shrimp, it's to give the shrimp whatever flavor remaining is left that we could possibly muster because you're too afraid to open up the damn shell. However, the shrimp will always at least have the tail on in any of my restaurants because you've got to get that flavor and the nutrients from that shell. Cooking shrimp is very simple, it's very fast, and you can fuck it up really quick, which a lot of people do. So I'm gonna make this very quick for you. We're gonna take our oil. We're not gonna put any salt on this now. I'm not gonna pre-season it. Salt draws moisture. Moisture makes liquid. Liquid going into a hot pan with oil creates splatter. This doesn't need to be seasoned at the moment. We're gonna season it as we go because it's already gonna have a salinity to anyway. Now, olive oil, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Get your pan nice and hot. Take your shrimp, kind of open them up a little bit to where you want them to be. Put it down in the pan. Use your hand to hold it so it doesn't curl up instantly. Same thing all the way through. You can just push it real quickly where you want it to be and it will automatically stay there pretty much from the heat itself and you'll have a nice wide open shrimp. Guys, now the science behind the shrimp is it's a tight muscle just like anything else, and as you put the heat to it, the muscle fibers are going to shrink and pull together, making the shrimp close. Once the shrimp closes and touched, it makes an O. O stands for over fucking cooked. Don't let the O happen. C stands for cooked, just right. That's where you want to be. Keep the C. Once it starts closing and you have a round piece like this and an O, you overcooked your fucking shrimp. And it's gonna be chewy, you're not gonna have the same flavor that you want, and it's just not gonna work out for you the way you thought it was gonna work out in life. 1 minute on each side is all you really need, all right? I'm gonna take this shrimp now, and I'm gonna show you. You see how beautiful pink that is? You got a nice little sear from the oil. The inside's a little translucent, and that's perfect because we don't wanna cook it all the way through, you wanna cook it on its half. And that right there is a perfect C, which means it's cooked. Same thing here. And same thing here. And that's it, guys. Look how beautiful that is. It's gonna be in the C format just like we wanted. It's gonna have everything beautiful. I'm gonna do this now. I'm gonna go a little step further and just season this thing. A little bit of butter. That's all you need. By the time that butter melts, I'm gonna take my little strainer here. I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon, just a little bit. Fresh thyme. Absolutely beautiful. Salt and pepper. And we're done. That's it. So we're gonna take this shrimp here. The letter C is all you need to see right here. Your shrimp is done, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. Your butter right here is already lemoned. You got fresh thyme in here. You can just take this, put it over your shrimp like so. Put your thyme right here in the middle. And that's it. That's how you cook shrimp, okay? Let's not overdo it. Don't overcomplicate it. It literally took you that long. You can make it at your house. When you cut into this shrimp, you're going to see how beautiful that is. It should not be white. It should not be pasty. It should not be chalky because you've overcooked it. And don't go fucking around and steam your shrimp overdone either, because that'll be an even worse scenario. This is gonna be very succulent, it's gonna be very juicy, and the flavor of shrimp is still there. It exists. As it rests on your plate, like it should, as in any protein should rest a little bit, you're gonna have a very nice, it's gonna finish its cooking, you're gonna have a very nice texture in there. Enjoy your shrimp, okay? Don't take the shells off, leave the shell. Utilize this. Now you can toss it with something later, on your pasta, on top of something, a salad, and it's absolute flavor. It's just that fucking simple, okay? Scrimps. Ciao for now.